Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to use the park map, photo pass lenses and Disney Genie planning in Disneyland mobile app, perfect for getting the most out of your Disneyland visit. So first thing, open the Disneyland mobile, sign into your Disneyland account if needed. Use the interactive park map, like the map helps you navigate Disneyland resort. So tap the map icon at the bottom of the screen here, browse nearby attractions, restaurant, shops, restrooms, entertainment and guest services. So zoom in or zoom out and tap locations to view additional details. Okay, you can also switch between Disneyland park and Disney California Adventure using the park selector. Explore Disney photo pass lenses, like to add themed photo effects. Open the photo pass or photo pass lenses section if available, like browse the available Disney themed AR lenses, select a lens and follow the on-screen instructions. Capture your photo or video. Eligible photo pass lenses let you create fun Disney themed memories during your visit. So you use Disney Genie planning, like Disney Genie helps you organize your day. So open the Disney Genie section from the home screen or menu, like select your interest, favorites, attractions and preferred experiences if prompted, and review the suggested and recommendations, like itinerary. So Disney Genie updates its recommendations based on current park conditions and your selections. Okay, so adjust your plans throughout the day, like as you enjoy the park. Refresh the map to view updated attraction information. Check Disney Genie for new recommendations and use photo pass lenses at different locations throughout your visit. So these tools help you stay flexible as park conditions change. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.